Learn fast. Listen better. Subscribe for simple English. Did you know that airplanes can fly at altitudes close to 10,000 meters? Let's explore the fascinating world of flight together. What is an airplane? An airplane is an aircraft that moves through the air with the help of thrust, usually from an engine. It is mainly designed to transport people, goods, and dangerous materials, and can fly long distances. Airplanes can fly by using physical laws like lift and drag. History of airplanes. The first attempts to build an airplane go back thousands of years. In ancient times, different cultures, including the Greeks and Chinese, studied flight and the creation of flying machines, but none of them succeeded in actual flight. More serious efforts to build airplanes began in the 19th century when Leonardo da Vinci designed various flying machines. However, the first practical invention that could fly was created by the Wright Brothers. On December 17, 1903, Orville and Wilbur Wright made the first powered flight. This short flight lasted only 12 seconds and reached a speed of 12 kilometers per hour, but it marked a turning point in aviation history. How are airplanes made? Building an airplane is a complex process that includes several important stages. First, airplane engineers create designs based on specific needs such as size, weight, cargo capacity, and safety. Then, using lightweight and durable materials like aluminum and titanium, the airplane's body is constructed. The engines, which can be jet or piston engines, provide thrust. Also, complex systems for control, navigation, and ventilation are installed. Interesting and lesser-known facts about airplanes. The first airplane. The early airplanes built by the Wright brothers couldn't fly long distances and could only stay in the air for short periods. Today, modern airplanes can fly distances over 15,000 kilometers. Airplane safety. The chance of an accident while flying is on average only 1 in 11 million, showing how safe these vehicles are. Flight altitude. Airplanes can fly at altitudes close to 10,000 meters. White color. All airplanes are white. This color not only looks good, but also reduces heat absorption from the sun during the summer and helps spot cracks and defects on the body. Airplane emissions. Unlike cars, which produce carbon smoke, airplanes emit greenhouse gases and pollutants during flights, which can have a significant effect on weather patterns. Advanced airplanes. Some airplane models, especially military planes, can reach the speed of sound and even create shock waves that cause a sonic boom. Gliders. These airplanes fly without an engine, using air currents to stay aloft. Stretching airplanes at high altitudes. At high altitudes, the thinner air creates less pressure, which reduces wear and tear on airplanes. Airplanes in Formula One. Commercial airplanes fly at speeds of around 800 kilometers per hour, while Formula One cars typically reach speeds of about 300 kilometers per hour. Negative carbon airplanes. Airplane engines are designed to optimize fuel consumption, minimizing emissions. Flying like birds. Some new airplane models, especially drones, are designed to fly like birds. Autonomous landing. Some advanced airplanes are equipped with automatic systems that can land the plane precisely and safely in bad weather conditions without pilot intervention. Transparent airplanes. Some advanced airplanes, especially those used in specialized industries like stratospheric aircraft, are made with transparent coatings, making them visible in the sky. Solar-powered airplanes. Some research projects are working on designing airplanes that use solar energy to fly. Conclusion. Airplanes are one of humanity's greatest inventions, transforming the transportation industry. They have significantly reduced travel time over long distances, making it faster and safer. Today, airplanes are equipped with the latest technologies and play a crucial role in global transportation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.